In this video, we will talk about folders group hiding in Windows 11. We will show you quick steps to fix folders group hiding issue. Make sure to watch the complete video. Method 1. Restart File Explorer. Press and hold the Control key, the Ctrl key on your keyboard, then Shift key and press Escape to open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer, do a right-click and choose Restart. Method 2. Change the registry value data. Click in Search, type Registry. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Here you have to be in NameSpace folder. I have mentioned the location in the description. From there you can copy-paste the location. Once you will be in this location, you need to click on these key folders one by one and change the hidden by default value to 1. Close the registry editor and restart your PC to apply the changes. Method 3. Add registry key value. Click in Search, type Notepad and open it. Paste the registry commands in the Notepad. I have mentioned the command in the description. From there you can copy-paste in here. Now click on File. Select Save As. Type the file name and make sure to add reg extension at the end of the file name. Click on Save. Right-click on the file and open it. Click on Yes. Here you can see it's showing the prompt. Are you sure you want to continue? Click on Yes. This will add all the default folders in the NameSpace folder location of the registry. After this, restart your PC. So that's how you can fix folders group hiding in Windows 11 issue. That's all for today. See you in the next video.